have traveled to over 110 countries and only had limited time in Kuwait and were keen to get a sense of the people, history and food. The 2 days we spent with Walid were perfect and we had a truly enjoyable time. From the moment we made contact with him, he was a great prompt communicator and he offers a variety of tours. He also picked us up and dropped back to the airport. Our first day was based in Kuwait City. The tour to the Great Mosque was a beautiful experience and as non-Muslims we felt very welcome. The souk and Arabic coffee at a wonderful cafe was also very memorable. The other highlight of the day was the Oil and Gas Museum. Walid's other recommendations for restaurants and other places to visit were also spot on and very much appreciated. Our second day was a great drive across a 40 kilometers causeway, which was a spectacular engineering experience. We also got to see the vastness of the Kuwait desert and visit an interesting farm which felt like a bustling oasis. We would highly recommend this company for both professionalism and value for money. Thank you again, Walid. Perfect. We are hoping to get back to Kuwait again one day. I had the pleasure of having Walid as my city tour guide, and it was an unforgettable experience. As a female solo traveler, I felt extremely safe and comfortable with Walid throughout the tour. He was incredibly patient, sharing his vast knowledge of the city's history and landmarks with me. What impressed me most was his genuine concern for my well-being, ensuring I was comfortable and happy throughout the tour. Walid also doubled as an excellent photographer, capturing memorable moments from my trip. He even took me to a souvenir shop, helping me find unique mementos to bring back home. His kindness, professionalism, and attention to detail made my solo journey even more enjoyable. I highly recommend Walid as a tour guide to anyone, especially solo female travelers, seeking a personalized, informative, and enjoyable experience. 5 stars and thanks again, Walid. Great private tour in Kuwait with Walid. He was very punctual, 10 minutes earlier, very polite and knowledgeable. We've visited more places than included in the schedule as it was a religious holiday and museums were closed. He was so kind to show me the research center/aquarium, very nice and calm place, with a beautiful view nearby the sea, and a local neighborhood near my hotel. I really enjoyed the Kuwaiti towers and all little mosques around, the old souk and of course the sharks and many colorful fish in the aquarium. I totally recommend the trip, especially for the first-time visitors. It's a nice way to explore Kuwait with a local. Thank you, Walid. Hopefully, we meet again for another trip in Kuwait or Bahrain. Visited Kuwait with my wife and baby and we had a great day with the guide Walid. He is very friendly and very professional and knows a lot about his city. His itinerary is perfect and yet he adjusted the day just to accommodate something for our daughter also who loves animals, so he showed us some camels in the desert as well as a pet shop within the city. Perfect day and can't wait to see him again and spend a day to see more of Kuwait. Highly recommended. A very good 5-hour tour that gives you a great first glimpse of Kuwait's main attractions. Our guide, Walid, was fantastic, highly professional and always focused on providing the best experience for our clients. He was flexible and adapted well to our preferences. The only downside was that the tour takes place in the afternoon, and at this time of year, with the early sunset, half the tour was spent in the dark. Otherwise, it was very comprehensive.